Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to screen record with sound on your iPhone. It's super quick and easy. So first, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Then look for the screen record button, and if you don't see it there, just tap on the plus icon at the top left corner of your screen and then tap on Add a Control. Here, search and select screen recording to add it. After that, go back to the control center and then press and hold the screen record button. And at the bottom, you will see a microphone icon. If it's off, tap on it once to turn it on. And once the microphone is on, tap on start recording and you will see a 3-second countdown in the dynamic island, and your iPhone will start recording both the screen and external sound. When you're done, tap on the red icon in the status bar and then tap on stop to end your recording. All the recordings will automatically be saved in your Photos app. And that's all. You've successfully recorded your iPhone screen with sound. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.